you do after you threw her leg on the fire?
I did.
Well, it's the best kiss I've had with anybody I met in men's room. Oh, foot in the puddle. Foot all in the puddle.
Oh, damn. Hate that.
Yeah, we're gonna have to get you out of those shoes.
Oh, don't worry about it.
No, really, you're gonna freeze.
No, I'm not.
You're not? What do you got, bionic foot?
Someday, maybe.